In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Facebook page. We'll walk through the process right inside the Facebook app and make sure you understand what to look for at each step so you can confidently get your page on the path to verification. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to verify, since only people who manage a page will see the right options. From the main screen, tap your profile icon in the upper right corner. This opens your profile view and related settings. In that same top right area, tap the three dots to open your profile settings menu. The layout can look slightly different on iOS and Android, but the dots take you to the same place. In the settings list, select Meta Verified. If you don't see it, the feature may not be available in your region yet, or you may need to update the app and try again later. You'll now see a list of your Facebook pages. Tap the page you want to verify. If you manage multiple pages, take a second to double check you're choosing the correct one. Next, tap Next to proceed. You'll be taken to a screen that explains how joining the Meta Verified waiting list works for pages. Read through that overview so you know what to expect. Before you move forward, tap See All Eligibility Requirements and review them carefully. This is important. Facebook outlines what a page needs to qualify, such as having a complete profile, accurate information, and compliance with platform policies. Use this moment